Your arteries may be slowly clogging, and you might not even know it. Inside your body, fatty plaque can quietly build up in the blood vessels that carry oxygen to your heart and brain. As this buildup grows, blood flow becomes restricted, and when blood cannot move freely, the risk of heart attack and stroke increases. But the good news is that simple daily food choices can help support healthier arteries and better circulation. Arteries are the highways of your body. They carry oxygen-rich blood from your heart to every organ and tissue. But over time, unhealthy diets, processed foods, and excess cholesterol can cause plaque to stick to the artery walls. This plaque slowly narrows the artery. Blood cells begin to struggle to pass through the tight space. When this happens, your heart must pump harder to move blood through the body. Some people begin to feel warning signs like chest pressure, fatigue, or shortness of breath. In more serious cases, plaque can rupture and form a blood clot. If the clot blocks the artery completely, it can trigger a heart attack. If a clot travels to the brain, it can cause a stroke. Many people never notice symptoms until the blockage becomes dangerous. That is why prevention is so important. The good news is that certain foods can help support healthy blood flow and heart function. Fatty fish like salmon contain omega-3 fatty acids that support heart health and help reduce inflammation in the body. Healthy fats from foods like avocado and olive oil may help maintain flexible artery walls. Leafy green vegetables provide fiber and nutrients that support balanced cholesterol levels. Nuts like walnuts and almonds contain healthy fats and antioxidants that benefit the heart. Berries are rich in powerful antioxidants that help protect blood vessels from damage. When combined together, these foods create a heart-healthy meal that supports circulation and overall cardiovascular health. Healthy arteries are not just about food. Regular exercise helps keep blood flowing smoothly through the body. Drinking enough water supports healthy circulation, and reducing processed foods and excess sugar can help prevent plaque buildup. Small daily habits can make a big difference for your heart. Your arteries work every second to keep your body alive. By choosing healthier meals and staying active, you can support better blood flow and protect your heart for the future. A healthy heart begins with the choices you make every day. Blocked arteries can quietly damage your heart. Poor diet, stress, and inactivity can lead to dangerous plaque buildup. But one simple meal can help protect your heart and clean your arteries naturally. Imagine a plate full of fresh salmon, creamy avocado, colorful vegetables, nuts, and berries, packed with nutrients that support blood flow, reduce inflammation, and help arteries stay flexible. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which improve circulation and reduce artery plaque, lowering the risk of heart attack and stroke. Avocados provide healthy fats that support artery walls, while walnuts and almonds deliver antioxidants and fiber to keep cholesterol in check. Leafy greens, tomatoes, and berries are full of vitamins and antioxidants that help remove toxins, fight inflammation, and promote healthy arteries. Walk daily, eat vegetables, avoid junk food, and stay active. Combining this healthy meal with regular exercise can keep your heart strong, your arteries clear, and your energy levels high. Protect your heart before it's too late.